Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to Paliochori Beach and we are going to have lunch there at Sirocco Restaurant, which uses the heat of the volcanic activity to cook their meals. And I'm gonna show you everything we picked from the menu and how they were. I started the day with a very simple breakfast. I was so happy I could find nice strawberries in the supermarket because it's so extremely rare. I just put them on some yogurt and I ate it with some chia seeds. It was absolutely perfection. We are going to the beach, you guys! I started recording.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
This is our first getaway.
Yeah, the official
getaway. We are going to Paliochori, the old village,
Yeah.
to have a dip and have a beautiful meal at the Sirocco Restaurant.
The Sirocco.
The Sirocco Restaurant. Yeah, it's a little bit hot today.
Oh my god, yeah.
Very hot,
I
actually.
think this is the first very hot
Crazy
day
hot.
of the year. That may be cool.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm cool now. Yeah. Cheers. Not a bad view. So, what did we order? Potato in the sand, fava with Japanese mushrooms, and watermelon salad. The potato is very nice.
Patata in bolore.
Oh my god, looks so beautiful. Oh, thank you. This is what?
Couscous and pumpkin.
A pumpkin. Did we eat nice or what?
It's not bad. But like I think like always, here I'm not like excited with something. It's not like something that I said, oh my god, this is awesome.
It's interesting. I liked it a lot.
What did you like? The couscous?
The potato was amazing. This couscous stuff was amazing. Okay, the watermelon was also nice, but
I thought you would say the water.
the water was
The
delicious.
water was amazing.
The water was the best.